Welcome to Write with G. I'm G. Well, anyway, in today's video, we are going to learn how to write the letter A. That's right, the letter A. It's really simple. We'll start like this. The capital A looks like this. A. That's the capital letter A. Now let's write the lowercase letter A. So we make a circle like this, and we draw a straight line down. The capital letter A and the lowercase letter A. Now, what is a word that starts with the letter A? I know. Oh, I'm a little dizzy, but this apple, delicious apple, starts with the letter A. The apple. A. P. L. And E. A. P. L. E. Apple. Apple. Capital letter A, lowercase letter A, apple. Now, let's see if we can draw an apple. All right. Let's make this shape here and that shape, and we will do it one more time. And I think that looks like an apple. Something is missing. Oh, the stem. We can't forget the stem. And you might have seen an apple, apple with a leaf. So let's draw a leaf. And that's how you say apple. And that's how you write a capital letter A, lowercase letter A, and that's how we draw an apple. Well, it looks like this apple needs a friend, and I know exactly who that friend is. Me. Now that's a tasty apple. Well, I'll see you on the next one. I love apples. Wait, what are you still doing here? Later.